Hey everybody, it's time for Penny G's Word of the Week. The word this week is blizzard. A severe snowstorm with high winds. Here's an example, short little picture frame I found of a blizzard. The wind is gonna blow so strongly that the snow would shake everywhere and do random stuff like that. So it would become a blizzard. Okay, we gotta end the video now. It's so... I don't know. What? You would have been here to do some hilarious stuff? Yeah, we would. Next week, the word's gonna have to be fidget spinner. What? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.